I'm Dennis.
I'm Andrew.
And we are the Crafty Lumberjacks. We're so excited to partner up with Treetopia again to share our second ever Halloween tree.
I know. We went all out this year. We were so excited. This year our theme was Abandoned
Movie Theater House.
I can't get it right.
Abandoned Movie Theater.
We love horror movies.
Yes.
So this was our take.
Why not put it on a tree?
That's good. Put it on a tree. Put it on a tree.
Put it on a tree.
Straight from Leawood Boulevard, here she is, the star of the show.
Doesn't she look lovely, folks? She's wearing vintage. Vintage classic horror movie light boxes, that is.
Everyone knows you can't get into a movie without a ticket, and she's got plenty.
And speaking of tickets, those are employees taking them and the pet rat snacking on stale popcorn.
And here's the stuff you're not gonna see, folks. That's an old-fashioned film projector made from foam board, washers, and CDs.
Well, we didn't have CDs back in my day, but we had film reels. Those vintage film tins are made out of metal stovetop burner covers from the dollar store.
Everyone's gonna have to wait behind the velvet rope made out of PVC pipes, insulation foam, and rope.
Well, no one has to wait anymore. Time to sit back,
Relax, and enjoy the show.
We knew we wanted to create movie theater poster light boxes, like the ones you see outside of a movie theater, but we couldn't find boxes that were the right size, so we had to make our own. We used foam board from the dollar store, cut 1-inch strips, and then created a box that was 4 inches by 6 inches and hot glued it together. We knew the sides were going to be exposed, so we used some decorative paper and used the glue stick to glue it onto the frame.
Pro tip, we didn't have enough of the decorative paper we wanted, so we scanned it and color copied it, and it worked just fine.
We wanted our light boxes to really shine, so we added a piece of white cardstock to the back. We put an X in it so it could fit snugly on a light.
We found some vintage movie posters online, printed them to size, and then glued it onto some shrink-eating paper. Vellum paper would work as well.
Once it was set, we gave it a little trim and then attached it to the box with washi tape.
We found these awesome skulls, and to keep them on theme, we turned them into ushers. So we made usher hats using a cereal box. For the top, we kept it easy, just a little bit of cardstock. Gave it a trim, and then wrapped it with felt.
Another awesome dollar store find, we found these popcorn bags and they were perfect for our theme. We just had to make them look a little creepy and gross and nasty, so we just used some watercolors using orange and yellow for butter, and then of course black and gray just to make it look cold and creepy. We glued real popcorn onto a piece of cardstock so that we can slide it right into the bags. And then again, we used the watercolor to make it look all nasty and gross. And then once it was dry, we sprayed it with a clear sealant.
Nobody wants roaches. we wanted to give these hands a little more life, so we used a heat gun from our embossing kit to help bend the fingers.
It does get a little hot, safety first.
And as you can see, some of the paint does start chipping off, but you really can't tell, and it is so worth it.
It's alive! It's alive!